Acoustical assemblies, what are they? They can look boring, but they're highly effective. They either absorb, block, or a combination. And here at Soundproof Atlanta, that's what we do for you when we evaluate your room. We determine what you need. I'm just going to give you a little bit of example when I talk about acoustical assemblies. It is, how are we going to hang your foam panels? Are we going to hang them from the ceiling? And what mechanism are we going to hang? What wire are we going to use? And what are the components to actually making it look good technically? In the ceilings, in conference rooms, or in large office spaces, we can use a combination of foam or not. And we can use a very sturdy vinyl that's up in the ceiling that actually blocks noise. This is a blocker and absorber. We can actually take those beautiful fabric walls we spoke about, and you can put any of these materials in absorbing and blocking behind them. Your wall will never know it's there, but you will be able to tell the difference by what you hear and what is absorbed in the conversation. You'll be able to hear it much clearer. Please call us if you're looking for a way to have an acoustical assembly heard but not seen. Thank you.